Hey everyone, this is Rob again, and I have a bit of an unboxing to do. And I do believe this is from Gohan. Because, yeah, it says, "Attention, Rob Zeppers." Attention, Rob Z. Yeah, and nice envelope. And it smells very potent. Oh, but it smells good. This should be the powders that he was talking about sending to me that I have been waiting for. Let's see if we can get into this. Not too much issue anyway. Great letter opener. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, he wasn't kidding around at all. Okay, so we got the Reaper Peach Ghost. Oh, that's got a good odor to it, or a good fragrance to it. Oh yeah, look at that. That's gonna be a nice warm one. Oh my. And then the cherry smoked blend. Now, people are saying that this one is actually hotter than the Reaper Ghost blend. And they also say I'm going to really like this one because of the smoked peppers. Oh, it's got a... I'm not opening the bag. I can smell the fragrance right through this bag. Oh, do they smell good. Mr. Goham, thank you very much. Oh boy. So tonight on the live stream, I'm going to try at least one of these, if not two of them. And we shall see what happens here. I think I'll go with the Reaper Peach Ghost blend first, because the cherry smoked, they say, is hotter. Oh, but the reviews that everybody's saying on this cherry smoked blend is just phenomenal. So I don't know which one I'm going to do first. But really quick mail call, really quick, I can't really call it an unboxing, but really quick opening from Mr. Goham. So thank you, Mr. Goham, I greatly appreciate that. Stay tuned for the meetups live tonight on Reptos TV, and yeah. This is, I'm looking forward to it, and at the same time I'm going, oh, this is going to be intense. This is going to be intense. Alrighty. I don't know if Goham sells these or not, but I know you can follow him on the Pepper Lovers community, and you can contact him on Google Plus. You know, if it, for whichever reason. Like I say, I don't know if he sells these or not, but he's been giving these out as samplers to a bunch of different people, and I know Blumberg and BD Beats and Rev and Charles P. All have been enjoying these. So he's let me in on the little group, and we're going to find out tonight how they're going to be. So again, Goham, thank you. Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate this. And yes, it just arrived today. In fact, it arrived only about 5 minutes before I started this video. Alrighty, with that said, I want to say thank you much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. There's that like button down below, of course, and sub if you haven't, and yeah, the notifications button. With that said, I'm going to say bye.